On the futures market this morning, we see a lot of green. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, all on the upside. Solid gains there. Jeff Sica with us this Monday morning. All right, Jeff, the market's up. Bank stocks are up. Is this the calm before maybe a storm?
Well, I would consider last week about as calming as getting waterboarded or getting tasered. So I wouldn't think it was calm when we're sitting at the precipice of what could have been massive bank failures, when we had the Fed had to step in. Janet Yellen, who I consider the most incoherent person alive, had to step in and assure us that the Fed would guarantee most deposits. That was a big step. And then also to have Jerome Powell raise interest rates, yet say he's a hawk, but act like a dove. And that's exactly what he did last week.
Is this the calm before a storm?
I believe it is, and here's the reason why.
So the storm is coming?
The storm is coming because here you have, I don't believe we're going to have bank collapses like people fear, but banks are going to tighten lending, they're going to pull in liquidity, and that is going to cut off the lifeline to a lot of businesses. The banks supply the liquidity for businesses to grow, number one. Number two, you also have the consumer. The consumer has gotten kicked in the teeth. The savings rate are among the lowest since the financial crisis, and also the credit card debt is the highest on record, with some of the highest interest rates on record. So the consumer is affected, and corporate earnings have to scale down. So I believe this was a quick fix. I think it was a sugar high. I think we got to be very, very cautious going forward.
In 60 seconds, can you tell me why you are now buying gold?
Yeah, I think everybody should dig holes in their yard and buy as much physical gold as possible.
You got that from me.
But yes, I did. And when you asked me where do I keep my gold, and I said I can't tell you that. But the reality about gold, it is a protest against government inadequacies. So you have a lot of people who don't trust the central banks with what they're doing with currency, and they want to control their own destiny. So they're going to continue to devalue currency. People are running to gold. If you look at countries like Russia, like China, they are stockpiling physical gold. We hit 2,000, the magic number last week, which was great. The banking crisis, people just don't trust the government, and gold is a great alternative.
Okay, a storm is coming. Buy gold. I think we can summarize in a couple of words right there. Jeff Sica, you're all right. Thank you very much indeed.